Survival challenge, winter cold snowstorm. The batteries have been failing. It's too cold for the batteries. Had to warm up the Wi-Fi one for a couple hours in the truck this morning. Truck ain't got no gas in it. I don't got any more gas cans. Hopefully that generator lasts a bit. We're helping watch Nate's spot while he's on a little trip. Jesse's up there right now. He has to sleep up there and keep the fire going so that all of Nate's water stuff don't freeze. And hopefully he can make it down right now. He's got gas. It's pretty deep snow with a layer of ice at the bottom. The boys love the snow. They're loving this colder weather and they like playing around in it. What's up, Bosso? Are you liking the snow, dude? What's up, dude? They don't care about the Wi-Fi not working. They have not been leaving much. Haven't been leaving the coop, but I'm making sure they got food and water in there. It's not too cold right now, but it's gonna get very cold over the next few days. Time to gear up. Over my long johns, I'm gonna wear my Willie Gear wool liner, and over that my Willie Gear pants. Optimal pants for all weather, but especially cold and snowy. Got the icebreaker merino wool sweater thingy majiggy, and the jacket from the back of Walmart. Matching pants enough. I've been getting buff, hands been getting rough. You can huff and puff, and you never gonna knock my shit down. I had to sacrifice lots to get places. Gotta take big ATVs just to get places. They used to laugh, now they all trying to switch places. Gotta be cautious, they switch faces. I'm trying to switch watches, switch faces. Big guns and big ammo cases. I'm taking big business, not taking paces. Taking this or that, homie, whatever. I'm taking over. Hey, hey. All right, guys, I've got the fire going. It's producing some heat. I think Jesse just pulled up. He's got some gas cans, I think. Looks like he stole Jen's gator. Get his ass. It's not getting his ass. What the fuck? That's a thick. Get in there. this bottom one to break. That's all right. That's fine. Good practice. See, that's, you test them. You're supposed to test them before you.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Use them. Oh.
Guys, it looks cooler in person, dude.
Well, guys, that was me trying to build a table. That was my first time carving anything with the chainsaw. I didn't watch no videos or nothing. I kind of just sent it. And only took a couple hours on it, so it was a fun little practice build thingy-majig. Still snowing. I don't know what to do. Build another table. It's kind of hard to do a survival challenge in a house you built because it's kind of just a living challenge. I definitely did it, bro. Just like the whole going and living in the woods thing. It's not really a challenge. Energy ball with that!
Hey, I make the glizzy flip, wrap the string around the hook, wait for a tug and reel it in. Hey, I reel it in, looking out for bears, cause Willie eat the same food as him. I should probably buy what's though, but I can't find one on Craigslist and they expensive at the store. I'm in my bag looking for the silky and the axe. I'm in the river flipping rocks and stones. I'm looking for crawdads.